Welcome back to Robert's Race Cars by Triple B. It is Saturday race day, but it's also T-ball day. So, got my Wool Market T-ball. That's last year fall ball. But we're headed off to T-ball. The ball field's up from the house, so Tyson can play in his first T-ball game this year. So, I don't know, we're going to check that out. Opening ceremony start here shortly. We're going to have a T-ball game. And then we're going to come back here and make sure everything's in the trailer to get ready to go to Outlaw Speedway tonight. So here's a few clips of T-ball.
Way around home. T-ball is where it all starts. All right, next we have in their bright yellow, the Bandits.
Yeah, that was my one that won't hit. Hey, right here, guys. Right here.
So we're back from T-ball. Tyson had a good game. He had a couple good hits. Whole team's got to get a little bit better, but it's racing time now. We got the car in the trailer. Got all my mess out here that I really need to clean up very badly. But car's in the trailer. Got the battery charger on it. So we're just waiting to leave. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, get my mess cleaned up, clean up all the rubber from grooving a couple tires, roll extension cord up. So we'll be headed out to Outlaw Speedway here shortly, kick off their season opener, and hopefully get a good run. Hopefully got the car where we need it to be. We did find a few little issues with the car, and hopefully got them fixed, and maybe this thing will take off like it should. But here we go. So we just pulled up at Outlaw Speedway. We're here in line, waiting to pay to get in. So it's starting to move a little bit. Looks like there's a good field of cars already. I see quite a few of them, you know, in the pit area where I can see. So let's get in here, let's get unloaded and look at the track. So here we are, under new management, Outlaw Speedway. I give them this, they got a white wall and white tractor tires. That's the best thing they could have done. Track looks really good. As long as it stays together and stays smooth, that's all I'm worried about. We're gonna find out here in a minute, huh?
Find out. We're gonna try to get out of here. Y'all are not just racers, you're entertainers. Y'all are entertaining those people in the stands. They got to come. We got to get them home tonight on time or they ain't gonna come back. There's probably a lot of new people here because of what we did with the news. So let's try to impress them.
roll out for hot laps. Let's see if these changes helped anything. Third, fell back to fourth, but came back to third in the heat race. Cars much better. Cars that are out there are really fast. They're really quick cars. So we made a few adjustments, moved a couple of wheel spacers. So hopefully that gives us that little bit that we need, a little more off the corner drive. But I don't know. We're about to find out. We should roll off third row outside P6. So I don't know. Car's fueled up, it's ready to go. A few adjustments made. We're about to find out if it helps. Hold it. Keep going. All right, hang on a second. Stop. Stop. We gotta move the lift a little bit before we run over it. All right, hit the button. Hit it. Perfect. Stop. Stop. Good job. Here, let me see it. Give me 5. Ow. All right, it's Sunday morning. We just got the car unloaded. Laney helped me get it unloaded. And we had a good night last night. Car did what we wanted it to do. I think we got something now. We're definitely in the right direction. So we started 6th in the feature. We run up to 3rd, or 2nd. We run 2nd. I thought I was going to have the win there for a minute. Kevin's always fast in the 14C, and he did a good job. He got around lap cars quick and like he should have, to where he didn't waste no time, and I could get underneath him or try to make a move. But we got really close, and I don't know. I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it after what we did at Milton. So we're going to get this thing cleaned up, get it on the lift, get the tires off of it, and I don't know, get it ready for the next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.